Hello everyone, welcome once again. Now in this section we have an integral question over here. So we have the integral of x squared e to the power 3x dx. Now we have to solve this integral. Now looking at the integral, we are supposed to use integration by parts, but then it's going to look cumbersome. So we are going to use a simple method to do this integration. So let's use the integration by parts, but then we are going to use the tabular method, right? So with this integral we have so let's draw a table, a simple way to do this. So we have a table here, right? We divide this into three. The first part we have the sign, the second part we have the differentiation, and then we have the integration. So the first one has to be so we have positive, negative, right? Now we have the first one, which is x squared, and then e to the power 3x here. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to differentiate to the last part, so we can't differentiate again, and we are going to integrate to the last part. Okay, so when we differentiate s squared, we have 2x here. Differentiating e to the exponent 3x, then we are just going to drop the 1 over 3, the 3 down here, and then we have e to the exponent 3x. Right, now we differentiate this, we have 2. We differentiate this, we drop it again, so we have 1 over 9, then e exponent 3x here. We differentiate this, we have 0, and we differentiate this, we have, so 3 drops to multiply the 9, which is 1 over 27 e exponent 3x here. So all of this now we're just going to give ourselves. So now we have the integral of x squared e exponent 3x here, the x being equal to, so we are going to take it this way: x squared multiplies that, 2x multiplies that, and then we have 2 multiplies that again, right? So we are going to take it with respect to the signs. So the first one, we have plus x squared multiplying that, so we have x squared, so over 3 e exponent 3x. The second part, we have negative 2x, right, multiplying 1 over 9 e exponent that, so we have e exponent 3x here. And then the next one, we have 2 multiplies that, so we have positive 2 over 27, right, positive 2 over 27 e exponent 3x plus c, and that will be the answer. So thank you very much for joining me in this section. I hope this section was helpful. Please like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to be notified anytime we post a new video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in another section.